Otis Elevator is a large international company based out of Farmington, Connecticut. With over 60,000 employees and over $11.6 billion in revenue, they're among the biggest in the industry. One might ask, are elevators really sustainable? Well, when you look at this question in terms of the world population growing to 9 billion people by 2050, with two-thirds of those living in densely populated cities, then, well, elevators are part of the equation. Elevators, properly maintained, will last the life of a building and are comprised entirely of recyclable parts. So with Otis's recent sustainability initiative, it's entitled Way to Green and includes a number of approaches to greening their operations. The first is increasing the efficiency of the elevators themselves. Otis has introduced a line of elevators known as machine roomless elevators, or MRLs. The Gen 2, which can use about 50% less energy than a conventional elevator, and the Regen, which regenerates on the down travel, feeding power back into the grid. This one is said to use about 75% less energy than a conventional geared system. In addition to energy savings, this new family of elevators virtually eliminates the need for toxic and expensive routine lubrications, and certainly eliminates the need for hundreds of gallons of hydraulic oil, as can be found in some other elevator systems. Otis's Way to Green document also states that 97% of the industrial waste is recycled in the production and the construction of their cars, which are produced in state-of-the-art green facilities around the world. The Otis factory in Madrid turns out elevator systems using 60% solar power. The Otis company also boasts the first ever LEED certified elevator factory in China. It should be noted that 80% of the environmental impact of any large elevator operation is not from the production of the elevators, nor is it from the operation of the cars themselves, but the service and maintenance and the vehicles that they use. For this reason, Otis has implemented the right sizing vehicle fleet, as well as proactive equipment monitoring to eliminate waste trips and ensure only the right size vehicle is sent out when repairs or maintenance are necessary. Through all these measures, they've reduced their greenhouse gas emissions by 11% in the last 3 years. Always reluctant to give any big company too much sustainability cred, I fished around to see what the other elevator companies were doing. Kone, a Finnish company, is about half the size of Otis. At around 5.7 billion per year and 32.5 thousand employees, it turns out that they have been thinking about greening their operations for some time now and have sworn off hydraulic elevators altogether in 2007, citing them as too much of an environmental impact. This year, they celebrate their 200,000th MRL with regenerative technology standard. Cone has also undergone an extensive greening of their fleet with high-efficiency diesel, electric, or hybrid vehicles, and a comprehensive sustainability plan touting 3 paths to innovation. The first, increase the efficiency of the products themselves. The second, increase the efficiency of their service and operations. And third, increase the sustainability of production facilities. Cone Elevator Company has been ISO 14001 certified since March 2008. ISO 14001 is the international standard for environmental operations. This is something Otis has yet to accomplish. Another comparable company is ThyssenKrupp. It is a little smaller than Otis at 7.2 billion per year and 44,000 employees. Also competitive in the MRL super efficient elevator market. ThyssenKrupp also boasts a green fleet, having actually reduced their greenhouse gas emissions 13% over Otis's 11% in the last 3 years. They've set aggressive goals for 2020 to reduce energy use by 52%, reduce water use by 50%, and reduce waste volume by 54%. Did I mention that they're also ISO 14001 certified? Their elevator cabs also carry a green UL listing for indoor air quality, a boon to buildings seeking LEED rating, and they've been reporting to GRI standards since 2008, something Otis has yet to do. A snapshot of the industry shows us that an Otis elevator is doing their best to keep up with some of the smaller, more progressive competition on the sustainability front. As with the rest of the building industry, promoting sustainability in product, production, and operations is becoming a strategic necessity.